Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today I am talking to you about Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm came, so I am ready to reveal. After this makeup look was done, Boxy Charm showed up, so I decided I will just have to film right now. So this makeup look is on YouTube, please check it out. And Boxy Charm, let's see what's in Boxy Charm. Before I do that, let me show you. I had two add-ons because I had a coupon, so I wanted to use it before it was over. So I have the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. And it's a we all need some magic wipey pad thingy. I like that. This is what the container looks like. I think I gotta, if I go this way, yeah, maybe you can see better away from the light. That's it. And there are 50 pads in there, so that's one of my add-ons. And the next add-on is the Luna Magic Los Angeles, New York Beauty with a Latina vibe. It's the brush set. And there are how many brushes? Let us see. Oh, they're all individually wrapped. So there are 4 brushes. Those are cute. They all have a different color, as you can see. So those were my add-ons. Sweet Treats. This is what it looks like. And the list of everything is at the back of it, and it tells you how much everything is. So let us start with our Boxy Charm. Let us see what we receive. Okay, the first thing on the list says NATASHA DENONA. It's a AYANA eyeshadow palette. A special edition palette created exclusively for Boxy Charm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of a sparkling metal green tourmaline inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design combination, with na meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. Okay, I'll take that. Okay, so where is that? So this is number 1. This is NATASHA DENONA AYANA 5 eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna open. Okay, this is what it looks like. I will use it. It's cool tone. These are pretty. I'm a colorful girl, but I'll use this with something else, you know that. Okay, let us swatch the skin tone. Okay, very pigmented, and it's showing up. The next one, and I'm not doing heavy swatching. The third one, yeah, I can use that. The 4th one, and the 5th one. I put it right over the 4th one. So these are the 5 colors in there for the NATASHA DENONA. Okay, and that is worth $48. The second thing in there, which I get to pick, they asked me to pick, and I did pick. It is the STUDIOMAKEUP Tinted Moisturizer. That is $35. And hopefully it's the right one. This is what it looks like. Again, I had to pick. They asked me to pick something, and I picked that. This is what the bottle looks like. It's the tube. They say shake before you use it. Oh, it has a pump. That's cool. So let's see what the shade is like. This pump, is it working? Oh boy. I guess I can't even open, oh, I can't open it. I'll have to open it because for some reason it's not coming up. I couldn't get the stuff to pump. I couldn't get it to pump yet, so this is what the shade looks like. Oop, this is the shade. It looks good. It's a tint. It's supposed to be a tint. Well, on the back of mine it will always look different. So this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. This is the hand without tint. This hand has no tint. This hand has tint. So this is it. I guess I'll see the full effect when I try it on my face. The third item in there is ELOISE Beauty Get Glamming. The third product in there is ELOISE Beauty. It's a Get Gleaming Body Glow. This is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body, and that's $38. And is that it? No. And that's how it comes in. Take out the plastic bag. Ooh, what's that? And this is the packaging. Okay, we got that open. Nothing going back, so packaging is getting ripped apart here. This is crazy. Ooh, okay, this is what it looks like. Very nice. Do I have to shake it? Okay, we're gonna pump in the back. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is what it looks like in the back of my hand, and I am just going to rub it to see what they're talking about. Ooh, okay. So you can really make it look good. Okay. This is my hand. This is the hand with it. This is the hand without. So it does make a difference. Okay, it gives you a nice glow. It's not shimmer, it's not glittery or anything. There are little speckles of brightness in it, but it's nice. That is pretty, very pretty. The next thing in there is Laura Geller Conic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. Artisan baked pigment and rich moisturizer. Saturate lips with creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. And that is $21. And this is the Laura Geller. This is it. And we're gonna open that. I am liking everything so far. Okay, Laura Geller looks like this. And we open. Ooh, that looks like a nice color. This looks like something I'm gonna like. See the design on the back of it, how pretty that is. I think I'm gonna like this color. Ooh. Don't go too hard because it's creamy. Wow, okay. I see you. This is the color. I think this will look good. Let's see. I need a mirror. I'm just going to put it on the one I have. This color looks pretty. Just create an ombre right here. That's it in the middle. Oh, okay, it has like a magnet. It has a magnetic close. Okay, so that's the color, and I just put it right here. The last item in there is TERRE de Mars. It's 008 Rendition Body Cleanser, an organic, low-foaming, aromatic and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extract in fusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. And that's $22. And this is this. You know, I'm gonna try it tonight. I'll tell you all about it. If it's doing all of this, I want to see, I want to know. Let me see if I can smell it. Ooh, that smells nice. Very nice. It is refreshing. You can smell lime. Did they say there was lime? Because I can smell lime. Maybe it's the rosemary. That smells really nice. That will make a nice shower. And these are all the products that I received in my Boxy charm. Let me know if you think it's worth it. I'm going to be using this. I like this. I'm going to put it all here because I like to wear sleeveless shirts. I'm going to put this over here. This I'm going to try. This smells really good. What else? The NATASHA DENONA. It's not my colorful palette, but I will use it because I have another small NATASHA DENONA. I can use these colors. I can use these colors with other colors, and I can use them by themselves. So this is good. So these are 3. Wow, I get 5 full-size product, and the tinted moisturizer. The next video I do, I am going to use that. So that's that. And what else? It was, I'm missing something. And the lipstick. And the lipstick, I can never go wrong with lipstick. I love lips. Do you think it was worth it? It is beautiful. These are all full-size products, believe it or not. Again, thank you all again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.